Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using EveryDollar, Dave Ramsey's awesome budgeting app, you might be wondering how to get your spouse on board for seamless financial teamwork. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step so you can sync your accounts and conquer your budget together. Why does this matter? Well, managing money as a couple reduces arguments and helps you both stay aligned on your financial goals. It's a total game changer. First off, make sure both you and your spouse have individual EveryDollar accounts. If not, download the app from your phone's app store or sign up on the website. It's free and straightforward. Once you're both set up, log into your account and head to the settings menu. Look for the Share or Family section. That's where the magic happens. Next, tap on the Invite option and enter your spouse's email address, the one linked to their EveryDollar account. They'll get an email notification right away with a link to accept your invitation. On their end, they just need to open that email, click the link, and confirm the connection. Boom, your accounts are now synced. Once linked, you can both view and edit the same budget in real time. That means if one of you adds an expense or adjusts a category, it updates instantly for the other. To make the most of this, I recommend setting ground rules, like reviewing your budget together every week to discuss spending and savings. Remember, open communication is key to avoiding any mix-ups. If you run into issues, check the EveryDollar Help Center for troubleshooting tips. There you have it. Syncing EveryDollar with your spouse is simple and effective for building a stronger financial partnership. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.